Wall cloud. This storm is tornado warned right now, as you guys can tell. We do have a tornado warning on it. We're going to be looking at it here in just about a minute. It's right there. Right there. Right there. Large wall cloud. Large wall cloud. Tornado warning. As you guys can tell, I mean, it got a good hook on it. Really nice hook on it. I'm gonna bust it in just about a minute. There's probably, that may be a tornado on the ground on the north side, buddy. On this north, that may be a tornado. Oh, it's down. I think it's a tornado, dude. I think, man. Oh, definite tornado. Yes, tornado on the ground, buddy. There's no doubt about it. It's to my northwest. Click on the link. Click on the player. Oh, I'm losing it in the rain, dude. Oh, dang it. Oh, I'm losing it in the rain, and I'm gonna have to turn. Dang it! No doubt, tornado. There was a tornado on some quarters, anyways. Yeah. Hold on a minute, brother. Oh, that was a bigger piece. All right, you still with me? All right, buddy. Monster hook! Monster supercell, monster hook. We are right there. Monster supercell. I'm punching this thing. Coming in from Sand Springs, Sapulpa. What a hook it is. All right, we finally got back up underneath it. Here it is. We got a little nipple right above us. Right above us.